So if you'll click on this little file folder that's labeled File Explorer on your taskbar and open it, you will see a couple of things on the left side. Let me close this quick access up. So quick access is not something you want to worry about right now. Where we're going is OneDrive Charlotte Country Day. You're going to save all files to OneDrive Charlotte Country Day all year, all next year, all the year after, and all the year after that to keep it all in one place. The benefit of putting it here is twofold. First, it gives you access from any device to those files. Second, if something happens to your Surface, your files are backed up in the cloud, which means that you haven't lost any work. So let's open OneDrive Charlotte Country Day School. And there is nothing here right now. And that's to be expected. It's brand new. If you have files there, they're from 8th grade. What you're going to want to do is create a folder and put all of that information in a folder labeled 8th grade. To do that, you come up here to New, Folder, and label it 8th grade. And now you have an 8th grade folder. Any files that are below that, drag them into that 8th grade folder. If it is a OneNote notebook or a web link, leave it alone. Do not drag it into the 8th grade. For the rest of us, what we're going to do is put our current grade. So for me, it's the 9th grade. And inside this 9th grade folder, I'm going to open it. Inside the 9th grade folder, I'm going to create a different folder for each class I take. Look up here very quickly at the header. OneDrive Charlotte Country Day School, 9th grade. That tells me I'm in the 9th grade folder. I can also see it over here on the left. OneDrive Charlotte Country Day School, the 9th grade folder. So I click in this blank area and I want a new folder. And I'm going to name this one English. I'm going to save all of my English papers in this folder. Make a folder for each class you're in. Even if you don't think you'll save something, you never know. As you can see, I have added a folder for each class I am taking. English, Fine Arts, maybe you know the name of your fine arts, Freshman Seminar, History, Math, Science, and I take Spanish. Maybe you take French or Latin. So yours should look similar to mine, but maybe not exactly like mine. It is important that you save all documents to these spots. So let's see exactly how that will work. Let's say I have a Word document, and this is my paper on the Aeneid. And it's an English paper, and I want to save it because this is going to be a great paper, and I don't want to lose it. So I'll come up here to the top bar, and as you can see, there's a little save icon. You can click on that to save, or you can say File, Save. And notice you have a couple choices: OneDrive, Charlotte Country Day, or Sites, Charlotte Country Day. You don't know what Sites is, so I'm going to suggest not saving to it. I'll tell you what it is. It's Teams. And unfortunately, if you save to Sites, everybody will see your paper. So it is very important that you not save to Sites. So let's go up here to OneDrive Charlotte Country Day. Notice your name is right there. So OneDrive Charlotte Country Day. And I'm in the 9th grade now. And this is going to be my English paper. I give it a name as something I could recognize as the paper I'm writing. And I hit Save. Back here at my paper, it's telling me the title and that it's saved. It's also telling me that its autosave is on, which is what I want. So I could type on this, and if something happens and I have to shut my Surface quickly, it's automatically saving a copy to OneDrive Charlotte Country Day. So you will always have access to this on your Surface. If something's going on with your Surface, you'll have access to it on a different device. Now I'm ready to type my paper. You'll do the same save procedure with all Office products. So PowerPoint, Word, Excel, you'll save all of those to OneDrive Charlotte Country Day School. So let's go back to File Explorer and let's look in the English folder and see what's going on. There's my paper. Notice it has this little round arrow thing. What that's saying is that it is currently saving and syncing right now. Let's go back. Notice that because I'm working on that English paper, it's saving and syncing something in that file. All of these check marks mean it is saved, everything's good. If you see a cloud, that means it's saved primarily in the cloud. You still have access to it, but it may take a moment to download. It only does that with files that you haven't accessed in many months.